CSAT is easy. We will help you pass it. You focus on paper 1 and become an IAS officer. So let us get started. This question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2024. Let us see how can we solve this one in 30 to 40 seconds. It says that a person buys 3 articles P, Q and R for rupees 3,330. If P is going to cost 25% more than R and R is going to be costing more 20% more than Q. So we have got P and then R and then Q, isn't it? The entire comparison, if you look at this problem, begins with Q. P का comparison किससे हुआ? R से. R का comparison किससे हुआ? Q से. So what I am going to be doing for the sake of calculation, I am going to take the value of Q as 100 rupees, right? And see how we can simplify this. The cost of R is 20% more than Q, right? Now I have taken Q as 100. So 20% of this value is 20% more. So it is going to be nothing but 120 rupees. Did you understand this? Now, it also tells you that P is going to cost 25% more than R. So what is 25% of 120? You don't have to pick your pen to solve this one because 25% is 1/4. 1/4 of 120 is nothing but 30 rupees. Isn't it? So 30 rupees more. So from our calculations perspective, the cost of P should be 150 rupees. So I say that if Q is 100, then R is 120 and then P is 150. So what is going to be the total value of P and Q and R? It is going to be nothing but 370 rupees, isn't it? If you add 150 and then 120 and then 100. Now, but options are different because this entire value is different. And this is what we have done in childhood. We have done it very extensively. We say that R 370 rupees is 33 this much from the problem. So R 1 rupee should be equivalent to this upon this value 370. If you simplify this, so 37 times 9 should be this, right? RP is 150. So what is, if RP is 150, what is problem speed? It is nothing but 150 into 9 and that comes out as what? 1350. Isn't it very simple? Why to make things complicated, people, when you can simplify them? And if you simplify them, you literally can solve them in 30 seconds. And if you really want to join our CSAT courses, call us on this number. We will be providing you with 3 demo sessions and CSAT is going to be a cakewalk for you. So I'm going to see you in some other videos. Take care.